Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. So this is your new year gift, and after watching this video you will say goodbye to your loss. Just watch the complete video, do not miss any point, and it will give you the perfect trade all the time. I put a lot of effort to make this two indicator. Yes, this indicator is new one. It will give you the trend area, and the second indicator simple logo 4 point. It will give you the band, it will give you the RSI ribbon, it will give you the sell and buy signal. Okay, and the second indicator trend area will only identify the trend. Okay, now let's watch the first the most recent trade. This one, this was the most recent trade and it give you the perfect trade. And here I will tell you there are two types of trade, and one type of trade is a confirmed trade will definitely 200% will give you the profitable trade. Okay, here you can see there are a lot of buy and sell signal, but only sell signals are profitable. Okay, you can see in this area, you can see from this point there are a lot of buy and sell signal, and there are a lot of fake signal as well. Like there you can see this was the most recent sell signal or buy signal. After that you can see the market goes downside. So what you have need to do, if you will go for the buy trade, definitely it's your loss, and maybe market will go downside, and it will go downside because simple hoga trend area give you that this is the sell area. Okay, like let me show you. Here you can see simple hoga trend area is giving you the area of sell or buy. When the color is green, it's a buy area. When the color is red, it's a sell area. Okay, it's very simple. Let's move to the second indicator. Okay, hide this one. Now the second indicator is giving you, you can see this is the RSI ribbon, the band line, and there are a lot of buy and sell signals. So if you will follow all the signal, definitely you will be in huge loss. So how you can protect your money, I will give you the all details. Let's start the video. And here, after adding two indicators, it's a very simple strategy. It's not a difficult one. Even a very beginner who do not know about the trading anything can start your trading, and will definitely will get the profit. Okay, so let's start the video. Here you can see this is the buy area, and you can see the buy trades are giving you so much profitable. Okay, and when here you can see this one and this one. Okay, and here you can see. So now the point is where you have need to exit your trade, and where I mentioned that I will give you I will tell you the perfect trade, which are the perfect trade, and you can say 100% will definitely will give you the profit. So listen, when the area is red, okay, listen me carefully because this is very important. Okay, if you will understand the concept, then definitely at the end of the day you will be good money in your pocket. Okay, okay, here the most important thing is the RSI ribbon. RSI ribbon, whenever you can see RSI ribbon cross the upper band line, and at the end of the video I will tell you how you can get these two indicators, because these indicators are not available on TradingView. So how you can get and what are the best setting of this two indicator, so I will tell you all the detail. Okay, when whenever the RSI come upside from the upper band line and you got the sell signal, then you need to go for the sell trade. No, you have need to be confirmed that it's a sell area start, then you can confirm, or you can say it's 100% confirmed signal, you will definitely will get the profit. And now you can see you can book your profit, or you can book your profit here. Okay, now here you can see the sell signals are coming. Here you can see the sell signal, here you can see the sell, But where is the RSI ribbon? RSI ribbon is inside the band. So this is your confirmed trade. No, it's not a confirmed trade, but it's a, you can see, a weak signal. It's a weak sell signal. Obviously it's give you some good profit, but according to our indicators, these are weak signals, so you have need to understand this. Okay. And okay, I think there is some internet issue. Let's connect again. Hopefully it will be okay. And now the second thing, just like same scenario, need to consider that the RSI cross the upper band line. Yes. Second condition, you got the sell signal. Yes. Third condition, the area is red one. Yes. Then you need to go for the sell trade, and definitely you will get some good profit. Okay, I think it will be okay. Yes, it's okay now. Now from this point, definitely you will get buy trade. Let's see here. It's a weak signal. Remember, it's a weak signal. It's a weak buy signal, but it give you the profit. It is a very you can say a 200% confirmed trade, and it will definitely will give you a profit. And you can see you got the profit here again buy trade, and you can see you got the profit here again. And let's move. It's a weak signal. Okay, it's a weak signal. It's not a strong signal. It's not a strong buy signal. Definitely we do not need to touch buy sell signal, because the area is green, so you need to go only buy trade. Do not need to go for the, you can you obviously you if you are trading, then maybe from somewhere else you listen that trend is your friend. Why the people are saying trend is your friend? Because if you follow the trend, definitely you get the profit. If you will go opposite from the trend, then definitely market will not give you the profit. Okay, now here you can see this is a strong sell signal, and it's very awesome profit book. Again the confirm signal and book the profit. And now the question in your mind, that either the indicators working on only 15-minute time frame. No, indicators working on 1 minute, 15 minutes, either whatever time frame you want, you can use it. Or the second question you will in your mind will come, that uh, either the indicator work on all markets or not. Yes, indicator work on all markets, and I will show. Let's see. I'm showing you the results in BTC. Let's move further, and I will show you the Indian market as well. So just wait and complete video to watch it. SPX. Okay, here you can see this is your sell signal. Just give you the profit here. Okay, this is the buy signal. Book your profit here. Sell signal, you can book your profit here. Okay, now this one sell signal, and obviously it does give you the good profit here, but buy signals are giving you awesome profit. You can see the accuracy is around 90% plus. Here you can see sell signal and exit your trade here. Okay, the buy signal and so much profit. This is a very strong buy signal. Okay, because RSI is below from the band line, you are getting buy signal, so all the conditions are true, so you don't need to go for the buy trade. You can book your profit at this point. Okay, let me show you results in 5-minute time frame. Either the indicators are working on 5-minute time frame or not. Okay, let's discuss this one. Either it's working perfectly fine on 5-minute time frame as well, you can see. Okay, now let me show you results in some other pair like Indian market, Bank Nifty. Okay, it's working perfectly fine, you can see. Okay, both sell signal and such much profitable. This buy signal and it's give you the profit here. Okay, the sell signal profitable, I do not need to tell. You can watch your from your eyes and enjoy the profit. Okay, still loading. Okay, that's fine now. Good. That is a very strong buy signal. Okay, just like I told you, if the candle is below from when you got the bicycle, you can see the RSI is upside from the upper band line, but at this point you can see RSI is clearly downside from the band line and you are getting buy signal. So that is a perfectly buy signal. Okay, like I told you, I will tell you how you can get the perfect trade. This is the example of perfect trade, not this point. This is your perfectly buy trade point. Okay, now hopefully you will understand the full concept and you can see my indicators are working on all markets. Okay, okay, let's see the results in some forex pair. In the euro USD, okay, indicators are loading. Okay, now loaded. Buy trade and profitable, you can see so much profitable. In the sell signal, you can see all the sell signals are profitable. You can see from your eyes. And let's see the results in gold. You can see the results. Okay, loading. Here you can see, watch it and enjoy it. You can see. Okay, loading. Okay, okay, I think I give you the, but that one I told you, that one is the perfect trade because RSI is upside and you're getting sell signal, area is red. Perfect trade, what? Perfect trade, got profit. Okay, now sir, let's see results in gold. Because my indicator is working on all market, all pairs, and awesome results. Okay, it's loading chart, but you can see I show you like 7 to 8 pairs, and my indicator is working on all time frame on all markets. So the question is how you can get the indicator, how you can add the indicator. So here you can see these are my point script. Let me show you. Okay, simple hoga 4.8, the first indicator, and the second indicator is here. These are my all point script, and this is the most recent signal. Okay, simple hoga trend area. So how you can add the indicator? Let me show you the first I have need to show you how you can get the indicator. My indicators are paid just in few dollars, not hundreds of dollars. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Remember, write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channel and you have need to be aware. Do not join fake Telegram channels. Write one at the end and person contact me. Gmail simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Hopefully you will like my video, and now the question is how you can add the indicator. Now that is, you can see the result. That is the perfect trade. I like it. Okay, that is another perfect trade. Okay, that is another perfect trade, this one, and you can see you got some good profit here. Another buy trade, another buy trade, and this is the most recent buy trade. Okay, now how you can add the indicator? First, remove the trend indicator. You have need to see the setting, uncheck this 4 table or 4 rows. Okay, and that's it. I just write one day. Okay, let's add the indicator first. Here you can go copy, first open my file, control a dash and copy all the code, then go to the Pine editor. First remove all the code from that point, from the point script there should be no code, then paste my code and then click on add to chart. The indicator will be display here. It will give you the weekly trend and monthly trend as well, but we need only monthly, oh sorry, weekly trend. So we have need to uncheck this for one. So, and here you have need to type 1 day, 1D, that means 1 day. Okay, now indicator is working fine and okay. And the next second indicator, just go close it again, go to the simple logger 4.8, control is select all, copy it, and then go to the Pine editor. First remove all the code, there should be no code, then paste my code, and then click on add to chart. Do not click on update to chart, click on add to chart, and indicator will be display here in few seconds. And if you yes, the setting, yes, you have need to do some setting. Go to the setting, uncheck the table, infilling signal, uncheck it, RSI 75, we need RSI 75, sorry, 75, uncheck the swing mode, click OK. Your indicator will be display here, yes, like this one. Hopefully you will enjoy the video, and if you need my indicator you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on Telegram. Remember, I told you, be aware and do not join fake Telegram channel. Write one at the end must. And Gmail, simpleyoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. I'll give you the all details. Any further query you can ask me or you can contact me. For the next video, bye bye, take care. Must like my video, must subscribe my channel, or must like my video. For the next video, bye bye, take care.